We from Section 1, Group 1. My name is Raja Nazir bin Raja Shagin and my metric number is CD 240005.
My name is Muhammad Anas bin Muhammad Azman. My metric number is CD 240150.
My name is Sanjay Sanam Ramudaran. My matrix number is CD 240217.
My name is Ahmad Izzat Anwar bin Nazim. My matrix number is CD 240203.
Okay, so there are few safety requirements before we entering a boiler room or any part of the biodiesel plant. The first one, we must wear a head protection because there are many heavy metals around you, so they can fall on our head anytime. So it is crucial for us to keep our head safe. So next we have to wear eye protection. Sometimes when the boiler is running, there might be mist or some kind of dust or mist can be flowing through, so we have to protect our eye before. Next we have to wear ear protection. So when the boiler is running, we have to wear the ear protection because the decibels is quite higher and it may impact our ear. And the protection footwear, which is the safety boots, we must wear that also. And lastly, high visibility jacket. This one is much required when we are doing works in night time. So we must follow all this PPE or the standard requirements for us to be safe when we are working in the boiler room or any part of the biodiesel plant.
Good morning guys. Today I'm going to do a line tracing on the boiler room. So we are going to see from this water tank and how the water from this water tank goes to the boiler. So first from this water tank there's a pipe here and it will go through this ball valve. And then if we follow the blue pipeline, as you can see here. Okay, so next the water will flow through this pipeline, and it will go to the ball valve and also this multi-stage pump. And next the water will go inside the boiler. So in this line, as you can see from the feed water tank supply, you will be seeing ball valve, and there's two ball valve here, and there will be a white strainer and a multi-stage pump and gate valve. Then this one is the one-way valve or the check valve. Then the water will flow through the group valve and finally to the boiler. Okay, so now you guys might be wondering why there's two pumps, why there's two ball valve, and why there's two lines going to the boiler room and there's connecting into one. The answer is pretty simple than you expected. If either one of these pumps goes under maintenance, you can still use the other one. So that way the process will be still keep going and you don't need to shut down the boiler room. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the globe valve. The globe valve is a linear motion valve that is used in a pipeline to regulate, start or stop the fluid flow in the pipeline. And as for the common application of the globe valve, we can see the globe valve commonly used in water, steam, oil and also gas systems. So the cooling, we can also see then the globe valve in usage such as in cooling system, fuel supply and also the usage here which is the boilers feed water supply. And we can also use the globe valve in process industries where the regulation of the flow is critical. So now I'm going to explain about the advantages and also the disadvantages of using a globe valve in a pipeline. So a globe valve is used for good and frequent flow, and it also has a fine flow control, and it is also effective at sealing, and it is available in various materials such as brass, stainless steel and many more, which makes it more efficient in pipeline. So this valve has a unique design. It has a spherical body, hence it's got the name globe valve. So the main function of this valve is to throttling, which is to regulate the flow, and it also provide a better shut-off compared to gate valve, but with a higher pressure drop. So for the disadvantages, the globe valve has a higher pressure drop compared to gate valve. So this makes the other equipment such as the pump, compressor to work more, and it will make the other equipment's efficiency drop a bit. So as I was explaining from the beginning, globe valve is really useful in this pipeline, but it is not as much as useful compared to gate valve because it has a much higher pressure drop. But in this situation, in this time, we can only use globe valve because we are using it more frequently. So globe valve is the more suitable valve for this pipeline, for this process. And that's all from me. Thank you. So in this boiler room, we normally use multi-stage pump, the vertical type. So why we use vertical multi-stage pump? Because the high pressure capability. Boiler system require water at high pressure,
especially for the steam boiler. And the second advantage is the continuous water supply. So the next thing is the disadvantage for using multi-stage pump, the vertical type, is higher initial cost. More expensive than single stage pump due to the complexity of the pump. So the function of jet valve is it allows flow in one direction only from the pump to the boiler, and it prevents backflow to the pump for the safety measures.
Why use the ball valve in the pipeline? It's because ball valve provide on and off control the pipeline. Disadvantage for ball valve is not suitable to control the flow using the strainer before the pump because remove solid particle from the fluid. Disadvantage for the strainer is clogging and it's required to maintain the strainer.
Okay, now I want to talk about why we use jet valve in this pipeline. Okay, jet valve have function that can fully open and fully close to make sure the water go through the pipeline completely. Okay, now I want to talk about the advantage of the jet valve. Jet valve can full flow with the low resistance, and then jet valve can handle the high pressure and high temperature. Okay, now I want to explain about the disadvantages of jet valve. First is jet valve has slow operation, and then jet valve is not suitable for throttling in this pipeline. Okay, now for the conclusion. We complete all the tasks by identifying the equipment such as multi-stage pump, jet valve, block valve, ball valve, and voice strainer in this boiler room.